Whether you're diving deep into a lengthy project or simply taking a well-deserved break, it's essential to have snacks that won't disrupt your flow. These snacks are not only low mess and easy to eat, but they also allow you to keep your focus on your stitches without worrying about any sticky fingers or greasy hands. No one wants to be cleaning their project just because they accidentally dropped a crumb or spilled something while reaching for a snack. So let's dive in and explore these delicious options that will keep your energy up and your creativity flowing. First, we have fruit. I like to think of myself as a bit of a fruit connoisseur. I've been enjoying fruit my whole life, and honestly, I haven't met one that I don't like. When it comes to snacking while I craft, my go-to options are apples, blueberries, and grapes. These fruits are not only delicious, but they're also incredibly easy to snack on without creating a mess. Perfect for those moments when you want to focus on your project. Plus, they provide a natural boost of energy, which is exactly what you need when you're working on your latest crochet masterpiece. Fruits are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber to help you feel great while you're munching on them. Now, if you find that these fruits leave your fingers a bit stickier than you like, I have a helpful tip. Consider using a toothpick to pick up your pieces. That way you can enjoy your fruit without worrying about getting your yarn or project sticky. It's a simple solution that allows you to enjoy all the goodness of fruit while keeping your crafting area clean. Nuts are another fantastic snacking option. Whether you prefer almonds, walnuts, or cashews, nuts are packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and energized throughout your crafting sessions. Their bite-sized nature makes them perfect for snacking, and you can easily pop a few in your mouth without disrupting your flow or taking your eyes off your project. Lately, I've gotten really into creating my own trail mixes. The beauty of trail mix is that you can customize it to your liking. It can be as elaborate as dried mango, cashews, chocolate chips, and pistachios, or as simple as mixing chocolate-covered almonds with raisins. The possibilities are endless, and it's a great way to keep things interesting. I stumbled upon a fun little tip while making trail mix for my fiance and I to enjoy on the beach. I added chocolate chips to the mix, and as you might expect, they melted in the heat. But here's where the magic happened. I decided to pop that melted trail mix into the fridge, and it transformed into the most amazing, chewy, nutty goodness. Now, every time I make trail mix, I try to intentionally recreate that mistake because it adds a delightful twist to our snack. Just a word of caution though, nuts are quite calorie dense, so it's essential to be mindful of your portion sizes. That's something I personally struggle with, but being aware of how much you're munching on can make a difference in how you feel while you're crafting. So grab a small bowl, measure out your portion, and enjoy these nutritious bites guilt-free. Cheese and crackers are a classic combo that works perfectly for crafting. This is a nostalgic snack that many of us enjoyed as kids, and I find it just as satisfying in adulthood. Not only is it delicious, but it also provides a great balance of nutrients. The cheese offers a good source of calcium and protein, which is essential for keeping up your energy levels, while the crackers add a satisfying crunch that makes snacking so enjoyable. To make things even easier while I'm in the zone with my crocheting, I like to pre-slice the cheese and place it on each cracker. That way, everything is ready to go and I can enjoy my snack without any extra effort or mess. It's the perfect way to keep my hands clean and focus on my project. There are so many types of cheeses and crackers to choose from, which makes the snack combo extremely versatile. But personally, I love pairing Dublinaire cheese with Good Thins rice crackers. The sharp, nutty flavor of the Dublinaire complements the light, crunchy texture of the rice crackers perfectly. It's a combination that always hits the spot. So next time you're settling in for a crafting session, consider reaching for some cheese and crackers. They're sure to keep you fueled and satisfied. Energy balls are a relatively new discovery for me, but they've quickly become one of my go-to snacks. I've seen recipes floating around for years on Pinterest, but it wasn't until I decided to give one of my saved recipes a try, and let me tell you, I was not disappointed. The only recipe I've tried so far is one from my favorite vegan YouTubers, Pickup Limes. She has a recipe on her website for chocolate fudge brownie bites that are absolutely phenomenal. I did end up modifying the recipe slightly based on my personal preference and because I didn't have all the ingredients on hand, but even with those changes, these little treats turned out amazing. What I love about energy balls is that they're small, but they pack a serious punch. They're incredibly filling, which makes them perfect for those longer crafting sessions when you need something to keep you going without having to take a big break. Not only do they give you a boost of energy, but they also are really quick to whip up. You can make a batch in advance and have them ready to go and grab whenever you need a little pick-me-up. Plus, they're super customizable, so you can tweak the recipe to suit suit your taste and use up whatever ingredients you have on hand. Whether you're a fan of chocolatey flavors like the brownie bites or prefer something a little bit more fruity or nutty, there's an energy ball recipe out there for everyone. Trust me, once you try them, they'll become a staple in your snack rotation. For a healthy and refreshing snack, you can't go wrong with fresh veggies like carrots or cucumbers paired with hummus. The combination of crunchy veggies with creamy hummus creates a satisfying snack that not only tastes great, but is also packed with nutrients. It's a perfect way to sneak some extra veggies into your day, especially when you're focused on your knitting or crochet project and want something light and energizing. I actually stumbled upon this magical combination by accident. To be honest, I've never been a huge fan of carrots or cucumbers. For me, they always seemed a little bit too crunchy and they didn't have enough flavor to keep me interested. But hummus? That is a different story. I've always loved it. So one day at the grocery store, I decided to try pairing my hummus with something a little bit healthier than chips. I grabbed a pack of carrots and cucumbers, and let me tell you, it was a game changer. Turns out I do like carrots, especially when they're slathered in hummus. Now I've become a huge fan of this combo, and it's become one of my go-to snacks. I usually stick with plain hummus, which I think pairs perfectly with the natural flavors of the veggies. But if you're looking to mix things up, roasted red pepper is another fantastic option that adds a bit of smoky sweetness to the mix. Both varieties are easy to find at most grocery stores, so you can always have this snack ready to go. Whether you're working on a big project or just need a quick break, this snack is sure to keep you feeling good and satisfied. Popcorn is a light, crunchy snack that's absolutely perfect for crafting. It's naturally low in calories, making it a guilt-free option that you can enjoy without worrying about overindulging. One of the best things about popcorn is its versatility. You can season it however you like, whether you're in the mood for something salty, cheesy, or even a little sweet. The possibilities are endless, which makes it a great snack to keep things interesting while you work on a project. However, if you're worried about greasy fingers, it's best to steer clear of heavily buttered varieties. Instead, opt for the healthier alternatives like Skinny Pop or Boom Chicka Pop, both of which are fantastic prepared popcorn options that are flavorful and convenient. But if you're like me and enjoy a little bit of creativity with your snacks, investing in a hot air popcorn popper is a game changer. Not only is it more cost effective in the long run, but it also allows you to control exactly what goes into your popcorn. With a quick spray of olive oil and your choice of seasonings, you can easily create a snack that's tailored to your taste and much less calorie dense. I love experimenting with different flavors. Should I mix white cheddar seasoning with a sprinkle of Buffalo Wild Wings seasoning? Why yes, I think I will. The great thing about making your own popcorn is that you can get as creative as you like, and you'll always have a fresh, delicious snack that's just the way you like it. So if you're looking for a snack that's light, customizable, and perfect for crafting, popcorn is definitely the way to go. Jerky is another fantastic snack option, especially if you're looking for something high in protein and low in carbs. It's chewy, flavorful, and incredibly portable, which makes it perfect for those long crafting sessions when you need a boost of energy without the hassle of prepping a meal. The dense, savory taste of jerky can really hit the spot, and it's a snack that's both satisfying and convenient. One thing to keep in mind though is that jerky can be a little bit salty, so it's always a good idea to have some water on hand while you're snacking. That being said, the rich flavor and satisfying chew makes it worth every single bite. When it comes to choosing jerky, I have a few favorites. Hummus is top on my list. They offer a variety of options including regular beef jerky and turkey jerky. Both are equally delicious and packed with protein, so you can't go wrong with either. The turkey jerky is especially great if you're looking for something a little bit leaner but still full of flavor. However, if you live in Texas or if you're lucky enough to visit, then you absolutely must make a stop at Buc-ee's. Their cherry maple beef jerky is quite literally life-changing. The sweet and smoky blend of cherries and the maple flavor with the rich beef creates a jerky experience that's truly next level. It's one of those snacks that once you try it, you'll find yourself craving it again and again. So whether you're going for the convenience of chomps or treating yourself to some Buc-ee's cherry maple beef jerky, this is one snack that will keep you fueled and ready to tackle your next project. Smoothies are another fantastic way to get lots of nutrients in a quick and easy form. They're incredibly versatile, allowing you to pack fruits, veggies, and even some protein powder to keep you full and focused while you work. One of the best things about smoothies is that you can sip on them as you craft without worrying about getting your hands messy or interrupting your flow. I like to refer to myself as the smoothie queen. Not only do I absolutely love drinking smoothies, but also because I'm passionate about creating new and delicious flavors. There's something so satisfying about blending together a mix of ingredients and coming up with a drink that's both healthy and delicious. But I have to admit, my nephew is a much bigger smoothie lover than I am. He's the ultimate taste tester, and I always have to run my recipes by him to get the seal of approval. One of my latest creations doesn't have an official name yet, but for now, let's call it like Orange Sunrise. It's a vibrant, refreshing smoothie that's perfect for any time of day. It's made with juicy mangoes, freshly squeezed orange juice, a ripe banana for creaminess, and a dash of golden milk spice mix for an extra boost of flavor, and my new secret ingredient, carrots. Yes, you heard me right. Carrots add a subtle sweetness and a beautiful color to this smoothie. Plus, they're packed with vitamins and fiber. This smoothie is absolutely amazing, and best of all, it's been nephew approved. Oh my gosh, what is he gonna think?
Alright, you ready?
What are you eating?
I was in the cantaloupe.
Okay, that's gonna tamper with the flavor of my smoothie, but. Come on, 10, please. 10, please. It's not a 10. What is it?
That's an 11.
Let's go! It's the perfect blend between fruity, creamy, and slightly spiced, making it a delightful treat that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a midday snack, or a refreshing drink to enjoy while you craft, the orange sunrise is sure to brighten up your day and keep you energized. Tea is another one of my go-to beverages for crafting. There's something so comforting about sipping on a warm cup of tea as you work on your latest project. It's soothing, versatile, and with so many flavors to choose from, there's always a tea that can perfectly match your mood or time of day. Whether you need a gentle pick-me-up or something to help you unwind, tea has you covered. If I'm starting my craft session in the morning, I usually reach for an Earl Grey or green tea. The subtle caffeine boost from these teas helps me wake up and get into my flow of work without making me jittery. Earl Grey, with its fragrant notes of bergamot, feels like a cozy morning hug in a cup, while green tea offers a more delicate flavor that's refreshing and light. But if it's after 2 p.m., I switch gears because my body is pretty sensitive to caffeine. That's when peppermint tea becomes my go-to. It's naturally caffeine-free, so I can enjoy it without worrying about staying up all night. The crisp, cool flavor of peppermint tea is incredibly refreshing, and it's a way of clearing my mind and helping me focus on my stitches. Here's a pro tip. If you're in a warmer environment or just craving something cool, iced peppermint tea is a fantastic option. It's like a refreshing burst of minty goodness in every sip. I like to describe it as icy Listerine, but I know that doesn't exactly do it justice. It might even sound a little bit off-putting. Trust me though, it's absolutely delicious. The minty flavor is invigorating, and served over ice, it's the perfect way to stay hydrated and energized while you craft in the heat. Whether it's hot or iced, tea is more than just a drink. It's a crafting companion that keeps you centered, refreshed, and ready to tackle whatever your project throws your way. Last on my list is the humble rice cake. Now I know you might be thinking, rice cakes? Really? What a letdown to end the list with. But hear me out. Rice cakes are actually a light and crunchy snack that's perfect when you need something to munch on without feeling weighed down. They're simple, versatile, and can easily fit into whatever mood you're in. One of the things I love most about rice cakes is how customizable they are. You can keep it classic by topping them with a smear of peanut butter, or you can add some slices of avocado for a little bit more of a savory twist, or you can even enjoy them plain if you like something super low-key. The best part is that they won't distract you from your project. No sticky fingers, just a satisfying crunch to keep you going. Like most people, I used to think rice cakes were pretty basic, maybe even a little bit boring, but all that changed thanks to one of my favorite YouTubers, Pickup Limes. She completely opened my eyes to the versatility of rice cakes in an amazing 2-part video series where she shares 25 different snack ideas featuring rice cakes. Part 1 is all about sweet ways to enjoy them, and Part 2 dives into savory options. Seriously, if rice cakes haven't been your radar before, you need to check out that series, and I'll link it in the description box below. It's a total mindset shift. I'd be genuinely shocked if you don't find at least one recipe you want to try from that video. What I learned is that rice cakes are like a blank canvas. They might even seem plain at first glance, but with a little creativity, they can become the perfect snack companion for any crafting session. Whether you're in the mood for something sweet, savory, or even both, rice cakes have got you covered. Plus, they're light enough that you can enjoy a few without feeling stuffed, so you can keep your focus where it needs to be, on your project. So there you have it, my top 10 snacks that are perfect for knitting, crocheting, or really any craft you're into. These snacks are not just about keeping you energized and satisfied, they're about enhancing your crafting experience without worrying about messy fingers or greasy stains on your yarn. Whether you're in the middle of a marathon crafting session or just taking a quick break, these options are sure to keep your creativity flowing. But this isn't the end of the conversation, it's just the beginning. I want to hear from you. Do you have a go-to snack that you can't craft without? Whether it's something I mentioned today or a hidden gem that you discovered, drop it in the comments below. Sharing is caring, and who knows, your favorite snack might become somebody else's new obsession. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel. And if you're new here or haven't hit that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? Join Join our crafting community for more tips, tricks, and inspiration to fuel your knitting and crochet journey. I've got so much more in store for you and I can't wait to share it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, happy crafting and happy snacking. See you in my next video. Bye!
That's an 11.